the Sundarbans. The name itself conjures images of a world shrouded in mystery and teeming with life.
This breathtaking mangrove forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stretches across India and Bangladesh, forming the largest delta in the world.
The Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers converge here, creating a labyrinthine network of waterways, mudflats, and islands. The Sundarbans is a place of exceptional beauty, a realm of emerald green foliage, meeting the shimmering expanse of the Bay of Bengal.
The air is thick with the scent of salt and damp earth, a constant reminder of the dynamic interplay between land and sea.
The whispers of the tides, the rustling of mangrove leaves, and the calls of unseen creatures create an atmosphere of both tranquility and untamed wilderness.
This is a place where nature reigns supreme, a sanctuary for a remarkable array of flora and fauna. The Sundarbans is a vital ecosystem playing a crucial role in protecting coastal communities from storms and erosion. The intricate network of mangrove roots acts as a natural barrier, absorbing the impact of waves and reducing the risk of flooding. The forest also provides livelihoods for millions of people who depend on its resources for fishing, honey collection, and timber.
This delicate balance between human needs and ecological preservation is a central theme in the story of the Sundarbans. The Sundarbans is a place of constant change, shaped by the ebb and flow of tides, the seasonal monsoons, and the ever-shifting channels of the delta. This dynamic environment has fostered a remarkable resilience in the species that call it home. The ability to adapt to changing conditions is essential for survival in this unique ecosystem.
The Sundarbans stands as a testament to the power of nature and the intricate web of life that connects all living things.
The Sundarbans is renowned for its population of Royal Bengal tigers, the apex predators of this intricate ecosystem. These magnificent creatures, with their distinctive orange and black stripes, are perfectly adapted to life in the mangroves. They are skilled swimmers, often seen patrolling the waterways in search of prey. Their presence adds an aura of both awe and danger to this already captivating landscape. The tigers of the Sundarbans have evolved unique characteristics that set them apart from their mainland counterparts. Their smaller size and ability to swim long distances are adaptations to their watery environment. They are adept at hunting a variety of prey, including deer, wild boar, and even fish.
The presence of these apex predators is a vital indicator of the overall health of the Sundarbans ecosystem. The Sundarbans also supports a diverse range of other wildlife, including spotted deer, monkeys, crocodiles, and a plethora of bird species. The intricate network of waterways and mangrove forests provides a rich habitat for these creatures. The interconnectedness of the food web highlights the delicate balance within this unique ecosystem. The Sundarbans is a haven for birdwatchers, with over 270 species recorded in the area. From majestic raptors soaring overhead to colorful kingfishers darting through the mangroves, the avian diversity is truly spectacular. The abundance of fish and other aquatic life provides a rich food source for many of these bird species. The Sundarbans is a testament to the richness and biodiversity of our planet.
The landscape of the Sundarbans is a tapestry of interwoven ecosystems. The mangrove forests, the dominant feature of the region, are uniquely adapted to thrive in the brackish water where rivers meet the sea. Their intricate root systems not only provide stability in the soft mud, but also serve as a nursery for a multitude of marine life. These tangled roots form a complex underwater world, a haven for fish, crabs, and other invertebrates. The waterways of the Sundarbans are the lifeblood of this ecosystem, connecting the various islands and providing transportation for both wildlife and humans. The ebb and flow of the tides constantly reshape the landscape, creating new channels and exposing mudflats teeming with life. This dynamic environment is a testament to the power of nature's forces. The Sundarbans is a place of constant renewal, with the cycle of life and death playing out in every corner of the ecosystem. Fallen leaves and branches decompose in the water, providing nutrients for the mangrove trees and supporting a complex food web. This intricate cycle of life is essential for the health and resilience of the entire ecosystem. The Sundarbans is a place of stark beauty where the interplay of light and shadow creates a constantly shifting panorama. The dense canopy of mangrove trees filters the sunlight, creating an ethereal atmosphere beneath the branches. The reflections of the sky and clouds on the still water add another layer of beauty to this enchanting landscape. Section 4. Navigating the delicate balance, tourism and conservation. Tourism in the Sundarbans offers a unique opportunity to experience the wonders of this natural wonder. Visitors can explore the waterways by boat, observing the diverse wildlife and the breathtaking scenery. However, it is crucial that tourism is managed responsibly to minimize its impact on the fragile ecosystem. Sustainable tourism practices are essential for preserving the Sundarbans for future generations. Responsible tourism involves minimizing waste, respecting wildlife, and supporting local communities. Visitors should be mindful of their impact on the environment and avoid disturbing the natural balance of the ecosystem. By following responsible tourism practices, visitors can contribute to the long-term preservation of the Sundarbans. Local communities play a vital role in the conservation of the Sundarbans. Their traditional knowledge and practices are essential for understanding and managing this complex ecosystem. Supporting local communities through sustainable tourism initiatives can empower them to become active stewards of their environment. Educating visitors about the importance of conservation is crucial for fostering a sense of responsibility and promoting sustainable practices. By understanding the delicate balance of the ecosystem, visitors can appreciate the need for its protection and become advocates for its preservation. The future of the Sundarbans depends on the collective efforts of individuals, communities, and governments. Section 5. Shadows on the horizon, threats to a fragile paradise. The Sundarbans faces numerous challenges, including climate change and human activities. Rising sea levels, increased salinity, and more frequent extreme weather events pose a significant threat to the delicate ecosystem. These changes can lead to habitat loss, displacement of wildlife, and increased vulnerability to natural disasters. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and overfishing also contribute to the degradation of the Sundarbans. These activities disrupt the natural balance of the ecosystem and threaten the survival of many species, including the iconic Royal Bengal tiger. Addressing these threats requires a concerted effort from individuals, communities, and governments. Climate change is having a profound impact on the Sundarbans, exacerbating existing challenges and creating new ones. The rising sea levels are gradually encroaching upon the land, shrinking the available habitat for wildlife and displacing human communities. The increased salinity of the water is also affecting the growth of mangrove trees, further threatening the stability of the ecosystem. Pollution from industrial and agricultural activities is another major threat to the Sundarbans. The discharge of pollutants into the waterways contaminates the water and harms aquatic life. Overfishing depletes fish stocks, disrupting the food web and threatening the livelihoods of local communities. These human-induced threats must be addressed to ensure the long-term survival of the Sundarbans. Section 6. A call to action. Guardians of the Sundarbans. The Sundarbans is a treasure trove of biodiversity, a vital ecosystem and a source of wonder and inspiration. It is our collective responsibility to protect this unique natural heritage for future generations. We must act now to address the threats facing the Sundarbans and ensure its long-term survival. Conserving the Sundarbans requires a multifaceted approach encompassing scientific research, community engagement, and policy changes. Scientific research can provide valuable insights into the functioning of the ecosystem and the impact of various threats. Community engagement is crucial for ensuring that conservation efforts are locally relevant and sustainable. Policy changes are needed to address the root causes of environmental degradation and promote sustainable development. Governments must implement policies that reduce pollution, regulate fishing practices, and protect critical habitats. International cooperation is also essential for addressing transboundary issues such as climate change. Each of us can play a role in protecting the Sundarbans. By supporting sustainable tourism practices, reducing our carbon footprint, and advocating for stronger environmental policies, we can contribute to the preservation of this unique ecosystem. The future of the Sundarbans depends on our collective action. Let us be the guardians of this precious natural wonder.